Hello my dear children, welcome to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. Children, we were dealing with the chapter Issue of Debentures. Today we will discuss about writing of discount or loss on issue of debentures. We know that debentures can be issued at par, premium or discount. So let us know more about writing of discount or loss on issue of debentures. Discount or loss on issue of debentures is a capital loss. So remember children, discount or loss on issue of debenture is known as a capital loss for a company which is written off in the year it is incurred. So such losses, that is discount or loss on issue of debentures, you have to write off in the year in which it is incurred. Discount or loss on issue of debentures is written off from securities premium reserve first, and if securities premium reserve does not exist, it is written off from the statement of profit and loss. So to write off such losses or discount, you have to take the money from the securities premium reserve first, and you can take the money from the statement of profit and loss also. So these are the two alternative ways in which you can write off these losses. In case there is no sufficient balance amount in securities premium reserve, then the rest of the balance money to write off such losses you can take from the statement of profit and loss. Now this is the journal entry which we had to pass to write off the discount or loss on issue of debentures. Securities premium reserve account debited, statement of profit and loss account debited to discount or loss on issue of debentures account. The narration goes this way: being discount or loss on issue of debentures written off. Now here is one problem. On 1st April 2019, Amrao Limited issued 10,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10%, redeemable at par after 5 years. The issue price is payable along with application. The debentures were subscribed. It has a balance of rupees 1,75,000 in securities premium reserve. Pass journal entries for issue of debentures and writing of the discount and prepare discount on issue of debentures account. So this is the question. Now let us summarize this question. The company is issuing 10,000 debentures and the nominal value of debenture is 100 rupees, and this debenture is issued at a discount of 10%. So this is in percentage form. You have to calculate it in rupees form. So on nominal value, how much is the nominal value? 100. On 100, if you calculate 10%, the answer will be 10. So what is your discount? For what discount you are issuing this debenture? 10 rupees less than the nominal value. So that means 90 rupees. You are issuing this debenture for 90 rupees. And redeeming, that is repaying this debenture at a par. So for 100 itself you are repaying this debenture. Now you have to pass the journal entries. Okay, so let us pass the journal entry for receipt of application money first. Bank account debited to debenture application and allotment account. So as you know, how much debentures were issued? 10,000. So write down 10,000 here. Into issue price, for what rupees you are issuing this debenture? As I told you, this debenture was issued 10 rupees less than its nominal value. So for 90 rupees we are issuing this debenture. So 10,000 into 90, it will give you 9 lakh as your amount. To debenture application and allotment account with the same amount, narration goes this way: being application money received for 10,000 9% debentures. Now transfer entry. Debenture application account debited. discount on issue of debentures account debited to 9% debenture account. So you are issuing this debenture for a discount. So discount on issue of debentures will be debited. So here, if you are writing the amount, you have to write 9 lakh, which is credited here. Debenture application and allotment account is credited by 9 lakh. So you are transferring that amount over here. You are debiting debenture application and allotment account. So with the same money. Okay, 9 lakh itself. Now discount on issue of debentures, how you will calculate? 10,000 into 10 rupees. How much was your discount? 10 rupees. You have converted this 10% into 10 rupees, right? So 10,000, this 10,000 issue, number of debenture issued is 10,000 into 10 rupees, that will give you 1 lakh. Making total of this, you will get 10 lakh to 9% debenture account. Being 10,000, 9% debentures of rupees 100 each, issued at 10% discount. So this was the 2 entry related to issue of debentures. Now children, our problem is related to writing of the discount. So as mentioned earlier, that debentures, if debentures are issued at a discount, or if there is a loss on issue of debenture, then that you have to write off from either from securities premium reserve or from statement of profit and loss. So in your question it is given that in your securities premium reserve there is a balance amount of 1,75,000. See children, there is an amount of 1,75,000, but what is our discount? It's 1 lakh. So there is sufficient money in securities premium reserve to write off this discount. So you just have to write 1 lakh. How much is your discount? That much money only you have to write over here. Journal entry goes this way, but you remember that this entry you have to pass at the end of your accounting year, that is 2020 March 31st. Okay, issue date is 2019 April 1. So securities premium reserve account debited to discount on issue of debentures account debited 1 lakh, being discount on issue of debentures written off. I hope this problem is clear to you. Now this is the discount on issue of debentures account. So if you check out the previous slide, you can see discount on issue of debentures account is debited to 9% debentures account. So you have to write here to 9% debentures account, and whatever amount you have written in discount, that you have to mention over there. And again, discount on issue of debenture, in the second journal entry it is credited. So on credit side of this entry you will write by securities premium reserve account 1 lakh. So this is how the ledger or the discount on issue of debentures account you have to prepare. Now let us switch on to the next problem. On 1st April 2019, Moonlight Limited issued 1,009% debentures of 200 each at a discount of 5% redeemable after 5 years at a premium of 10%. All the debentures were subscribed and allotment was made. The balance in securities premium reserve is 10,000. Pass the journal entry for issue of debentures and writing of the loss on issue of debentures. So this is the problem. Let us summarize this problem first. How much is the issue price of this company, or how much is how much debenture is issued? 1,000. What is the nominal value or face value of this debenture? 200. Discount is 5% and premium is 10%. Now let us summarize. See, issued is 1,000, nominal value is 200, issued at a discount of 5%. You have to convert this percentage into rupees. So what you will do? Nominal value. How much is the nominal value? 200, it is given in the question. So 200 into 5% is the discount. So converting it into rupees, you will get 10 rupees is your discount. So 200 item you are issuing it at 10 rupees less. So how much rupees actually you are issuing this debenture for? 190 rupees. So debenture is issued at a discount of 10%, that is 10%, 10 rupees less on 200. Moving back, and here you can see that we have to pass the journal entry for issue of debentures and writing of the loss on issue of debentures. So date is 2019, April 1 is the date when debentures were issued. Bank account debited to debenture application and allotment account. In the bracket you can mention 1000 into 190. So 200 is the actual value, but you are giving this debenture, issuing this debenture less 10 rupees less. Okay, so 190, 1000 into 190, so that will give you 1,90,000. Mean application money received for 9% debentures at the rate rupees 190 per debenture. Now transfer entry, debenture application and allotment account debited, the same amount you can write over here. Loss on issue of debentures account debited to 9% debenture account to premium on redemption of debenture account. As you know, when when you are redeeming the debentures at a premium, you have to use the wordings premium on redemption of debentures account. Now moving back to this working note, redeemable at a premium of 10% means the nominal value of this debenture is 200 and you are redeeming at 10%. So 10 into 100, that means 20 rupees. For 20 rupees extra you are redeeming this. So you are paying 220 rupees to redeem this debenture. Okay. Now let us move back to your problem. Here it is 9% debentures. So 1000 into 200, that will give you 2 lakh. And how to calculate premium? Premium on redemption of debentures. How was your premium amount? 20 rupees, isn't it? So to premium on redemption of debentures account, so you will get amount, you have to calculate in such a way, 1000 into 20. 20 is the premium, isn't it? So 1000 is the issue price. So 1000 into 20, that will give you 20,000 rupees. So how much is your loss on issue of debentures? This loss on issue of debentures account debited. As you can see, you are issuing at discount and redeeming also at that is redeeming at a premium. So in both the cases you have loss on issue of debentures as well as a discount on issue of debentures also. Discount is of 10 rupees and premium is of 20 rupees. So you have to add that 30 rupees. 30 rupees is a total amount which you have to multiply with 1000, that will give you 30,000. Okay, so this much is your loss on issue of debentures. Now narration, 1000, 9% debentures of rupees 200 is issued at 5% discount, redeemable at 10% premium. Now see children, there is loss on issue of debentures. For that you have to write off the loss. So on 31st March 2020, the writing off entry will be securities premium reserve account debited. See, your loss is 30,000, but you have 10,000 only in your securities premium reserve. So 10,000 you can use from securities premium reserve, and rest of the balance 20,000 you can use from statement of profit and loss account, which you have to debit here, to loss on issue of debentures account 30,000. Being loss on issue of debentures written off. So this is how you have to do this problem. Now let us summarize today's problem. Today we have seen writing off discount or loss on issue of debentures. We saw that debentures which is issued at a discount or loss on issue of debentures is a capital loss for a company, and they have to write off in the year in which it is incurred. We have to settle this money from securities premium reserve and statement of profit and loss. Okay, so thank you for listening.